Wow. I did it. It was so easy. Oh my goodness gracious. So basically what I just did was one of the first things that I did. So I'm not going to need this. Delete. So since I have that Nginx proxy manager, I'm basically defining my config with this proxy manager instead of defining it here. So I already have Nginx proxy manager running on this server, so I don't need to set it up again. So delete, move to trash. Okay. It was too easy. Okay, so let's go ahead and push that out there. Push. It was successful. Okay, so now back over here, let's just do a git fetch, git pull. Oh, okay, cool. Oh, your local. Let's just do a git reset dash hard origin test docker. Grr. Cool. Computers, man. Okay, so what I thought I did last time was just do a git, what was it, docker build dash p 3000 portfolio. Let me do let's cheat. What do you say? History. I think that was basically right though. I just don't want to mess it up and build. Docker. Oh, let me do that over here. Over here. That was not very. Oh, Docker build. Yeah. Yeah, I thought I did this. So let's go ahead and do that again. Okay. So I want to see. Run. Okay, so I'm gonna go back. I'm not sure why it didn't work previously. Cause I did something very similar. Y'all, I can't believe this works. What did I do wrong before, I wonder? I spent 2 or 3 days on this. Because when I first did basically this, it didn't work. But you know what? It works. And it's even got a cert on it. Let's go ahead and... Okay. So let's back up and see what we did. Oh, I got an idea. Let's do the PR for this together. Okay, let's do the PR. repositories, portfolio, compare. Okay, let's go look at this. What do we have? We have a Dockerfile, and this is doing the npm install from. It's just a single stage doing the build and then exposing port 3000. That might be the issue. So yeah, we're exposing 3000. Now I think that's what the issue was before. Okay, so just from node image, just setting up our working directory, doing the install and the build, copying files over. This is pretty standard stuff. So npm start. So that's just creating the Docker file for my Next app. Added a Docker compose for bringing up the service. That's simple stuff. Okay, and this is just stuff that while I was trying to do the build, I think it was giving me these errors. So it told me what to do in the error message, so I just went and did it. This was just old code. This didn't have a key on it, so it was like failing the build weirdly. Shameful. So there, I also ran into, when I Dockerized it, I think there's something going on with the styles for Material UI that it just floats around a little bit. So I can't, when you do the build, don't ask me why. When you do the build, these styles were, or like the classes were moving around for the Material UI components. So it was like overriding this. So I could have spent more time on it and maybe figured it out, but this worked, so I went with it. But yeah, so like I said, 2.5, 3 days I've been working on this, and all it was is build as simple as you can get Dockerfile to Dockerize the Next.js app. Throw it on my existing Nginx proxy network for the Nginx proxy manager, and then that's it. So let's go back over here. I'm going to go ahead and create this pull request and merge it in. So I like to, you have to, okay. And then go back over here. Okay. Git fetch, and we'll check out main git pull. And now we'll go back to the Docker compose up -d. Cool. Okay, and then with proxy manager, come on. Nginx proxy. Oh, come on. Is it just proxy manager? There we go. Okay, here I'll just go ahead and now I'll edit it. So here I just created the domain name that I wanted it to be. Set up. I'm forwarding to this, since it's on the same network, Docker network, I can just give it the service name and the port that it's forwarding to. And then I also set up an SSL cert. But yeah, so this is basically just defining what's in those Nginx config files. So it simply just does that for me, and this works. Okay, so here's another example of the this shouldn't be this color. This should look like, I don't know if you guys remember, but I can fix that later. It's just going to be a CSS issue. Close 3000. Got too many projects. Damn. Yeah, it's supposed to be this color, and it's not. But that's fine. I can figure that out later. I'm not too worried about that at the moment. But yeah, so this is pretty awesome to me. It's so weird that some of that works though. Never mind. But yeah, so I've got my Next.js app running on my Ubuntu server behind me, and I'm using Nginx as a reverse proxy to serve up that Docker container on my domain. And I can hit here, hit over here. Awesome. That's it. It works. That I could have. It's so funny. I could have been done with this 2.5 days ago. But I say 2.5 days. That's spending like days, I should say. 2.5 evenings ago. So I'm spending maybe 2 hours on it each night. So I didn't sink days on end into it. But yeah. I had tried that. It didn't work because of one little thing. And I'm thinking now it's that port not being exposed. But yeah, that one thing made it not work. But it works now, minus some CSS issues that I'll figure out. But that's not that big a deal. But yeah. Okay, awesome. I have my portfolio served on my website, and I'm very happy with that. If you want to see where this app came from, I've got several videos about the building of this app, so you can check those out. But thanks a lot for watching. See you guys later.